Alright, so in this video I want to show you how to install and use the recommendation plugin. So if you haven't done it yet in your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and then click on add new, then uploads, and simply click on choose file to open a search on your desktop and find the plugin file which you have downloaded. It should be a .zip file, okay, and then make sure to activate it. Then once you do that, you'll get a link in your site navigation to recommendation. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set it up. Okay, first of all, and then I'm going to show you how to add it to your page. So let's say I had this page was my sample page and I wanted to add some recommendations at the bottom here, and then I'm going to show you how to come back and edit those recommendations for the future. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start with add rectangle box. Okay, so I'm going to use some dummy text here, so I'm just going to use the same text we have here. And so the main headline is this headline. The content is all this part, okay? And by the way, you can add an image here as well. So if you click on plus image here and you put your image URL, you can add another image, okay? Button text, you can say click here to check it out. Obviously, it would depend if you're promoting an Amazon page, another affiliate program, or your Facebook fan page, or anything else you might need to promote within your website. Button link, so the button text is the text on this button. The button link is where the button will go. Okay, so I could say, you know, http amazon.com or whatever my affiliate link or whatever link I want people to go to when they click here to purchase. Then you have the graphical styles. Okay, so let's say I go with a blue. Okay, an additional graphic is that top graphic here. Okay, so I could go with a star maybe. Okay, and then all I have to do is scroll down and click on preview graphic, and I can see how the graphic looks. It looks pretty good. So I'm just going to click on actually, one thing I forgot is to give the graphic a name. Okay, and this is for your own internal use. So I'm gonna say number one recommendation. Okay, and this could be anything. It won't appear to people, but this is for you so that you can come back and edit it in the future. And then I just click on Save Settings. Right, so it says here successfully created graphics. And if I go back to the home page, so all boxes, I can see here number one recommendation is here. I can edit it or I can delete it. Okay, and it's pretty much the same for the square and the banner. So I'm just going to show you quickly how that works. So recommend graphic names would be banner test, main headline, sub headline. That's my content, and graphical style I could put green, button text, click here to try it, and button link http amazon.com. Okay, so you can customize this the way you want, and when you're done just click on Save Settings. Okay, and banner box, it's kind of the same, it's just a smaller box, so I could change the color scheme. Main headline, check out our top recommendation. Graphic name, banner test, and graphic, I'm gonna put a gift, and button link, I'm gonna put Amazon again, preview it. Okay, looks good. I need there's an exclamation mark, and then save it. Okay, and now if you go back to all boxes here, you can see I have number one recommendation, banner test, and the other banner test, which I named the same actually, but it doesn't matter. And I have some other old ones as well, which are here. Okay, so now this is my page here, so I need to put these on this page. I want to put them, let's say, at the bottom. Okay, so all you need to do is to copy this code here, okay, which is your your shortcode. It's called a shortcode. So you select it and then right click and copy. Okay, and you go to your page and you can see here this is my sample page. And I have my sample post here. All I'm going to do is paste that shortcode here and then click on update. And as soon as I do that, if I go on view page, okay, now you see this rectangle box is right here. Okay, so if I wanted to add some more, okay, so let me go back here. Go back to recommendations. Okay, so let's say I wanted to add the banner box. I will just select it, then copy. Okay, and I could add it here and paste it and update. Okay, and if I refresh my page, okay, you can see I have this box here and then I have this box here. And the good thing about this plugin is that it's fully responsive. So that means that if someone comes on a small screen, they will still be able to see it. If you can see when I resize here, it resizes with the screen. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it. That's how this plugin works. So feel free to get in touch if you have any questions. Thank you.